I've recently come to a deeper understanding of one of my favorite quotations. It takes two to speak the truth. One to speak and another to hear. That's Henry David Thoreau. It's not only that words are useless unless someone hears them. It's that the words may not even come. The truth might not even form if there isn't the right listening for it. And that means that listening is a creative act. Listening is a creative act. So it's no coincidence if I say something that feels like it was custom designed for you. At some moment, it's no coincidence, because if you're listening for something like that, it will come. It will be drawn forth. All of us have experienced this generative power of listening. You know people who are excellent listeners, and they bring forth something in you that you didn't even know was there. And the listening is so sincere, so open, that you dare not desecrate it. It's so non-judgmental. It's so generous that you dare not desecrate it with idle words. This is a power that I would love to develop further with you all when we are here. If we're talking about stories, we're talking about word, the power of word, and we're talking about the power of voice, and we're talking about the power of listening.